Do you want to stop emotional investing? Do you want to stop worrying about your investments and feeling that fear of running out of money? What I discovered after almost 40 years of investing, I guess I discovered it before then, but I want to share with you a really good insight for how to stop investing with your emotions and start investing with something besides your emotions. Hi, I'm Camille Gaines, and I write about what I've learned from over 40 years of investing and creating multiple income streams over at retirecertain.com. And in this video, I want to share with you just this really big aha. It's really simple, but what I've learned later in life is that the simplest things are the most profound, and they can have the biggest impact on our lives. And what it is we all can know, everything there is to know about investing in stocks or investing in real estate or, starting an online business or whatever it is that you've decided to do to build wealth. We can all know that. We can learn. But if we're not taking the actions that lead to results, something is getting in our way. And as a culture, we are led by the emotions of fear and greed around our money. It's because if we don't have money, we can't provide food and shelter for ourselves and or for our family. So it goes back to our core, primal needs to live, to survive. And so that's a natural emotion to get triggered when it comes to investing our money and anything really to do with our money. And so what we have to do is figure out a way to invest and make investing decisions outside of that fear. Now, the other big one that comes into play is greed. And that one causes us to jump onto the bandwagon when everybody else is on the bandwagon because we don't want to miss out. It's that fear of missing out, right? FOMO, that's so popular now, right? We don't want to miss out. But what you can do instead, and this is so basic, but it's sort of a big aha, it's to invest based on facts, based on math, based on history, and reach conclusions based on those factual things. And it completely removes the emotions because you can look at the numbers and the data and you can say, wow, I see that if I do this, I'm probably going to get this result, right? We all know that past results cannot predict exactly what will happen in the future and exactly when it will happen in the future. But what we can do is use past data, past history from various investments to get very logical expectations and estimates of what will probably happen in the future. So the thing with investing is everything is based on probability. Calculators are based on probability. Everything is what will probably happen. But we can use past data and facts for reliable probabilities, right? We don't know for, 100% that something will happen that we think will happen. It's just like the rain. If the weather forecast is, saying it's going to rain, we only know what the 80%, 70% probability, it's probably going to rain. If it's 20% probability, it's probably not going to rain, or it's more likely. We can do the same thing with investing. So by looking at historical facts and data, what has happened in the past with specific types of investments, like the stock market, like the bond market, like interest rates, like the economy that drives the value of our investments, we can make decisions from a place of knowing, of knowledge, of math, of concrete knowledge. And when we do that, fear and greed are just gone. They're no longer part of the equation. It's really simple. And once you make this shift, it really changes things. And it does require a little bit of learning if you're not familiar with how to understand what the market has done in the past and how to tie that into what you're doing now. But know that there are some brilliant calculators that are, again, based on probability, but they provide very, very reliable estimates. And looking to the past, we can make better investment decisions that keep us, not only lead us to making better decisions and better investments, but also give us more peace around our investments. And that's what I want to share in this video. If you like this information, let me know by clicking the thumbs up below the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.